The sun, a molten orb beginning its slow descent towards the horizon, cast a warm, honeyed glow across the rugged landscape of Paros. High above a venerable olive grove, a structure of elegant simplicity stood poised, a testament to the vision of Studio Seilern Architects. Paros Residence, a private villa, seemed to breathe in unison with the Aegean breeze, its form a delicate interplay of modern lines and the timeless textures of the island. It wasn't merely a building, it was an embrace of its surroundings, a luxurious sanctuary woven into the very fabric of the natural world. The villa unfolded as a series of distinct yet connected spaces, each a self-contained haven arranged thoughtfully around a central courtyard. At the heart of this arrangement lay a shimmering expanse of water, the poolside a vibrant focal point that drew the eye and invited repose. This was no ordinary pool, it was an infinity edge that seemed to spill seamlessly into the azure embrace of the Aegean Sea, a visual echo of the vastness beyond. Above, a slender pergola, its roof crafted from the gentle rhythm of bamboo, offered dappled shade. A single, precisely placed oculus pierced this canopy, allowing a focused beam of sunlight to illuminate a hand-chiseled marble lounge, a serene stage for the daily drama of light and shadow. The very foundation upon which this idyllic retreat rested spoke of a subtle detachment from the earth. Overlapping terrazzo slabs, smooth and cool beneath bare feet, created the illusion of floating platforms, barely kissing the ground. This lightness of touch extended to the inset base of the pool, cleverly clad in rustic mirrors. These reflective surfaces captured the boundless expanse of the Mediterranean sky, transforming the pool's edge into yet another ethereal slab suspended in the air. A captivating dialogue between the built and the natural. The architects masterfully employed a restrained palette of materials, allowing texture to become the defining element of the villa's understated richness. The traditional whitewashed stucco, a hallmark of Cycladic architecture, stood in harmonious contrast with locally sourced stone walls. These elemental surfaces were meticulously framed by the smooth elegance of Greek marble and the subtle granular beauty of terrazzo at every aperture, a quiet celebration of craftsmanship. Even the window frames whispered tales of local artistry. Crafted from densely hammered Oliveri marble, their texture and form drew inspiration from the ornate stone surrounds that graced the entrances of traditional Parian churches, a respectful nod to the island's rich cultural heritage. Inside, counters and benches, fashioned from sandblasted and chiseled stone, offered a tactile connection to the earth, their surfaces bearing the marks of careful human touch. A meticulous attention to detail extended even to the terrazzo itself. The scale of the aggregate varied subtly across different surfaces, creating nuanced gradations that added layers of visual interest without ever feeling overwhelming. This simple arrangement of raw materials, expertly handled, imbued the villa with a quiet complexity, a sense of depth that unfolded with time and observation. It was a design that understood the power of restraint, allowing the inherent beauty of the landscape to infuse the dwelling with a unique and compelling energy, perfectly suited to its coastal embrace. Completed in the summer of 2021, Paros Residence welcomed its private owners for the first time this year, offering them an exclusive sanctuary crafted with both precision and passion. The close collaboration between Studio Seilern Architects and local contractors, engineers, and suppliers was evident in every carefully considered detail. This intimate working relationship, often fostered in the creation of bespoke private homes, allowed for a fruitful exchange of ideas and a willingness to experiment, resulting in a project that transcended mere functionality. As Christina Seilern herself eloquently stated, the house reacts to the wonderful surrounding views and has been organized for the August sunset by arranging the layout around the east-west axis. We wanted to create an architecture that seems to touch the earth lightly. Slabs of terrazzo float and barely touch each other at the corners. The swimming pool cantilevers over the olive grove, giving the impression that it is levitating. In Paros Residence, Studio Seilern Architects had not just built a house, they had crafted a poetic expression, a personal haven that resonated deeply with its breathtaking Aegean setting.